Hello everyone, welcome to OnlineHR's tutorial on how to send out memos. Memos are a formal way of communicating to your employees. You have an option to let them receive a SMS. Once they click on the SMS, they get a link that goes to the OnlineHR platform, and if they read it, it's recorded that the employees have read the message. Alright, so as a manager, you go to OnlineHR and you log in. You use your username or email and your password to log into the portal. If you're a manager, you'll see the red bar at the top here. Today we're going to look at memos. Over here you have your history of your previous memos. We want to send a new memo, so we click Send New Memo. Over here you give a heading, that's what the message is about, the memo is about. Let's say we send out something about the COVID update for your company regarding rules and regulations or procedures, and then you can type your message here, or you can attach a file. Then you have the option to send SMSs. Send a SMS to every employee, notifying them about a new memo. If you click this, all of your employees will receive a SMS. You have some free SMSs that you can use per month, or you can purchase more. I'll show you more about that just now. So we click send, and it shows that a few SMSs has been sent out, and that the notice has been created. So you can see over there we have the COVID message memo. If you click on that, you will see what summary of the memo, and down here you'll see a summary of your employees and if they read or acknowledged the memo. So let's get my cell phone up here. So if we go to messages, okay, we've got a notification. So that's typically how the notification would look. Let me just turn it up. Zetra is my company I'm sending it out from. An important notification has been sent out, and then it asks you to click here to view it. Now if we get the SMS and we click here, then we'll open it up on my phone, and I'm already logged in. So once I'm logged in, I'll get to this notice, and I can view the notice, read through it, and click here to accept the notice. So as a manager, if we go back to this COVID message, now you can see Arne Klute has acknowledged and viewed the memo and the date and time. So you can see that this is for formal communication when you want to know if your employees read it, viewed it, and acknowledged it. Yeah, so that's for the memos. Just a quick on the SMS balance, which is relevant for the memos. So if you click on SMS balance, your company's SMSs are shown here. So we are at 2020 June, so I have 13 free SMSs left. After you run out of free SMSs, then you get billed, and you can also we just set your billing limit to 50 SMSs that you don't get a runaway account. But if you want to increase that, you can contact us if you want to use more of these. But you can use your free SMSs every month to send out these memos. Yes, thank you very much. That's all from my side. Just showing how to send out memos today. See you later.